Yes.
Yeah. What problem you have with that? You don't
Because
believe the corruption
Sir,
corruption is too rampant,
let me tell you
especially in this
something.
government, yeah.
You see, when you talk about court matters,
Mm.
court and belief don't go together. They
So,
don't go together. When you are making a decision, the decision that you're right, you have to be dealing with the evidence before you. And there's something in law that you call judicial notice, that the judge can take judicial notice of some things.
yes.
And there are a whole lot of case law on the doctrine of judicial notice and what is appropriate for judicial notice to be taken. So it seems to me that it's almost as if judicial notice was being taken in that particular sentence, and I do not know that that is something that judicial notice can be taken of. And that's why I said it, because we're talking law, we're not talking from belief.
Yeah, but, you know, I think the judge have the right to say what he thinks,
Yeah,
what he is
you can go on thinking.
really taking place in Jamaica.
You can go on thinking, because you speak from your thoughts. And I'm telling you how I understand the law operates.
I understand what you're saying, you know.
Okay.
But the judge have a right to say what he said to what he saw.
To what he saw?
Yeah, what is happening in the country?
Salah?
You ever see this level of corruption?
Salah? A judge,
This level of corruption in Jamaica before?
a judge cannot give evidence.
Well,
If the judge is giving evidence, then the judge can say what he saw. But if he's not giving evidence, he cannot say what he saw, because that is of no moment. That is all I'm saying about
All right.
that particular line.
all right. But what I'm saying to you now, though, I'm asking you now, have you ever seen this level of corruption in Jamaica before?
Tell me what exactly you're talking about.
With the Prime Minister,
Where's the corruption with the Prime Minister?
don't his the Integrity Commission says one of them who
Who what?
enrichment.
Who what Integrity Commission said?
Yes, about the he's one of the 8. He was one of the 8.
He was one of the 8.
He's one of the 8.
He is one of the 8?
Yes.
Where you get that from?
So let me get that from. So hold on, you know. You haven't seen the report.
Which report you're talking about, Salah?
The report that the Integrity Commission put out.
Which
And
one?
them name his name.
The last one?
Not the last one.
Right.
The one before the last one.
So did
that
you...
The Prime Minister was Jim Carlo.
What? No.
As one of the those
In the first place,
himself.
the Prime Minister name was not called in the previous report. There's a line that the Integrity Commission puts the number of parliamentarians that are being investigated for illicit enrichment. And then they later published a report.
So
But
he was one of them.
No, you mentioned... Hold on a second. You mentioned was and then you mentioned is. And that's why I want to get clear.
No, he was one of them.
Yes, but Salah, have you seen the latest Integrity Commission report, which was released, I believe, on Friday, and which I mentioned on this program?
I think 6 more and it added.
No, before you move on, stay on the Prime Minister for me. Have you seen this last report?
As we're 6 more
No,
MPs
brethren.
and some councillor.
Salah,
Yeah.
just answer my question. Have you seen this last report that came out and was tabled in the Senate on Friday? You saw it?
No.
No. Because you need to go and check Appendix 1 in the latest report, and you will see that the Integrity Commission says that it has closed the investigation on the Prime Minister.
Oh, really?
This is why I'm asking you what I'm asking you, you know. Because it's not, you can't come here so come fly kite so. Right? It says...
Through the investigation and the Prime Minister.
But in fact, they told us this from the report was tabled in Parliament. From the report was tabled in Parliament, and they said they referred it to FID. They closed their investigation. They couldn't find illicit enrichment. For all the things that they went and they probed, they didn't find evidence of illicit enrichment. And they sent it to FID because they thought whatever information they couldn't get, then perhaps FID can get it. But the investigation into illicit enrichment against the Prime Minister has been closed.
So, okay. So they sent it to the FID. What going to happen now?
I mean, dear Miss Cleo, call me now.
What going to happen now?
You see crystal ball in the studio? Will you ask me, say? Don't ask me what is going to happen.
No, then not sure it's not going to happen now. Because the person who is in charge of the FID is the Prime Minister, friend.
But listen now.
So what's going to happen now? In defend the Prime Minister from
before you
from some time ago when the Integrity Commission put out.
But Salah, don't mix up the issues. I in fact, that's why I said on this program, I really would have preferred if Dennis Strong had not applied. Because
you're breaking up.
Yes, a good time for you not here. Yeah? It would have been better if he had not applied because of that comment that he made and the perception of corruption.
Yeah, he was forced to apply because that was the reason why they...
Listen, don't go into your maybe.
The original thing to get him to qualify.
The bottom line, I just wanted you to correct your tense because when you say the Prime Minister is being investigated by the Integrity Commission, all I'm telling you is that you should be saying was.
Okay, so the FID going to say something different now because based on what's happening there, we don't expect anything to come out.
You can feel, let us see. You can feel in the dark if you want.
And let me ask you something. You don't think this thing that the Prime Minister launched last week Wednesday, the 50,000 giveaway?
Yeah. Stabilization fund.
Yes. You don't think it's a vote buying thing?
It can be.
Yes. And you have so much money.
It can be, but it need not be.
You have so much money to give away to people when you can't pay the nurse. You can't pay.
Yes, I've heard that argument from Miss Burrell, and I don't agree with it.
You don't agree with it?
No, I don't agree with it because money for social safety net. It is separated in a substantially different way.
Oh, but you could have paid them.
No. But let me finish what I'm saying. Let me finish what I'm saying. You're not listening. That's why you come here with was and is and talk. You're not listening, Salah.
Yeah, all right, go ahead, man.
Yes, because these money that is set aside to settle recurrent expenditure, which is what wages are. That money comes after a whole period of negotiation, an agreement on contractual sum, and then you literally budget for that. Because recurrent means it a go pay over and over and over.
Yes.
It is a big difference between recurrent expenditure and a one-off spend. One-off means it will not be coming back in next year's budget.
Yes.
And what I heard the Labour and Social Security Minister saying, they apparently have an apparatus that they've set up where those who've already had through PATH or through poor relief or through so and so, the system will update so that they won't be the people who will be accessing that sort of funding from the one-off payment. And it's really just a way of broadening some things that even the IMF and those entities speak about, which is sort of doing more for people who don't have it. So in other words, it is not something you can just take up and go pay to nurses, because nurses, police, and so, they are recurrent sums that we'll have to find year on year on year. My view.
Him could have buy as much as him want. He could ever buy out the whole Jamaica. This won't help him. Me say we just have wait on him, you know. So we're not start though doing now, because this that the PMP campaign song. When you start saying all kind of foolishness and start what we are preach violent. Eh? The campaign song are mashing it down now, you know.
You have anything more of substance to say?
Oh, you mean anything of this is not substance?
No.
Oh, really?
Okay, that's part of the problem, you know. You guys just feeling in the dark.
Yeah.
Just talk to me on the issues that you're raising with me, and I'm giving you, write them down and come back and let us talk point by point instead of this sort of general statement about campaign song and all. So do better than that.
Yeah, we know.
Good to hear you. I've got to go.
All right.
Have a great day.
Take care.
All right. Bye-bye. Let me find this. Wait. What time is it? No, me double up. 11:22. How you come in here, so?
Man, hold on, me turn off now. See me here.
Hold on there.
Hold on, me there. Morning.
Man shoulder for your fling.
Morning. I am there here. You know, see me alone to talk those language call me a done. Hey, I tell you.
What you call yourself done for? Which language?
Man, hey.
Which language?
No, the language that the man this used a while ago. The man the time at the same Thursday, you know. I want Thursday me have you know, me don't say the count you can't remember it. When time the 2P when they run, in company and tell you say, if water never fully, hold you for fully, because the man they go lose and the man will win the other P. Hey, me love it come again, you know. Me love the wheel and come again. Me have the record in here, you know. Me have the record in here. Just like the other one.
That was a line.
Yeah.
If water can't fully.
If rain never fully.
Hold you.
They go fully and the man will win. The other P will win wind. He said the man no good not all.
A different something this though. A different something this.
Which one?
A little do a full this.
No. What are you talking about? The man said if rain never fully, hold you fully. Eh?
What was yes that is yes that is Luther Buchanan in Eastern Westmoreland.
No man.
Listen.
Yeah man, we the talk today when the 2P when they run.
No.
Sister.
I'm telling you that line was told to me. No, that line was told to me by Luther Buchanan.
Sister, that same man come by and tell you say. If rain never fully, Peter Phillips and Peter Bunting. He said if rain never fully, how do you feel fully?
No.
And you said to him, I'm going to send it right now.
Send it to me. Because I remember Luther Buchanan losing that line.
You send it to church, sister, the count.
Yes.
Remember, it be happier.
If Salah repeated it, he is not the originator of it.
And that you have to tell me, well, I hear me hear your time out when the 2P when they run the time. He said Peter Phillips is no good. Me have him, me tape him.
That was Luther for me. But anyway,
hey.
What do you have to say?
Church sister. Hey, Jesus. Hey, Andrew gonna give them a beat. They're going to be attacking. You think say Jamaican fool again? You know, so Andrew working.
No.
Eh? Andrew they do some work. You think about those people? Andrew they build people. His wall house. Hey,
is his money? Is his personal money he's spending?
Eh?
It's not fee money he's spending.
Whatever, sister. But
what do you mean whatever? It's our money.
Your friend they tell you a while ago say how in they do when him there. And why in they do. And in they do this. And they, but guess what, sister? How you never tell me good, me never hear news good, or me ears now, cause ears are stubborn bad for this idea. Sister, where you say the integrity now? Cause Greg Christie gone.
No.
Start the integrity again. That's what he say? Since Greg Christie gone. Because them control Greg Christie, you know, anything what them
No.
if you do Greg Christie, if you do, you know.
When I say to you, halt, evening
Halt,
jest.
I stop. I take it back.
Gigi. Gigi.
What's this next story? Let me forget that one. Yeah.
Yes.
Somebody dead for Daniel Kain. One nice lady read the news yesterday and Daniel read it. Somebody dead for him. Condolence to his family.
Well, if somebody did yesterday and resurrect today, because Daniel did it.
Daniel read it. Daniel read the rest.
But in there today.
One nice voice lady, me never hear that voice.
In there today.
Everything Anna K voice sounds so lovely on the radio. And she read that news and Daniel never read it. Remember years ago when Mama Doreen, somebody went dead for she couldn't read that news too. Me mark everything, you know.
Oh, I see what you say.
You know, understand one nice lady reading that news yesterday, so somebody dead for Daniel, me selling condolence. To me second mother dead America, the first of this month I did. They choose a man, 85-year-old. Me tell us she won't get strokes over there.
Fought a good fight. Fought a good fight. DT, who dead for you?
Ask him how they cast and him read that news 2 times yesterday. Me they listen good.
Why you didn't read it too?
No.
No.
That he did me, I tell you.
These listeners,
America.
they hear every grunt, every laugh. Yes. Go back to the question where you asked me.
Sister.
Where you asked me, say, what the question?
They go do the question I'm they ask you. Say integrity. Say me prime minister. No, in clean. I say you say hour.
No. They said
every minute I hear the next chat about bank book. And when me hear you talk the money why not the bank book, me say but look at the prime minister is very poor. All these bank book for the next me take money way in it. But the prime minister don't have anything. You understand? Because you know what I realize in Jamaica, yeah? If you even go bank or put dollar, then search out every information. Such man when compare, and when he said to you one day, say, he know because the integrity tell him, say, and get it from good source and integrity, and you said to him, you can't prove. You said to him, say, how you mean to say you get it for integrity? He said, you see people everywhere, and you said to him, say, be careful what you are saying. And what the man say have eyes in everything. So he knows so. So everywhere say even a bank book, that's why I'm glad me not no money if you go in a bank, because me not go in a no bank. Me not go bank my money. Now who the boss say they have money a bank. Like laugh at this, don't have dollar in there, we hear so, we so hear joke. A computer, I take over your me tell for nobody with computer. Let me do my report here. Sure, sister?
No, let me answer the question that you asked.
I will answer the question.
The Integrity Commission report has a section in it where it says for the financial year 2024/2025, 9 cases were completed by the investigation division, and they give you a table of the average time taken to complete these cases. And
no, but I go on the table,
no, me not go on the table.
Let me do my report.
Yes, but the point is, at number 1 is the one concerning Dr. Andrew Holness.
You can read good.
Dr. Andrew Holness, and the date received was 2023-0405, date closed 2024-0719.
That's right.
It took them 338 days. That's the director of investigation.
Done right there, so.
But remember, so them send it gone to FID.
Done right
it
there,
is done by them.
I remember Mr. Trevor Monroe. Anything that Mr. Trevor Monroe they got tell me right now, God Almighty know, me no listen. Because Mr. Trevor Monroe is a PNP.
But you cannot know what he's going to tell you.
Nothing can tell me what me they go listen.
If you don't listen, you won't know what he's going to tell you.
Now, what I'm coming with now.
I'm going to need a break, DT, before you come with the story.
Mr. Vaz, thank you for JPS.
Let me take a break.
It's the perfect.
Yes, church sister. Today a bird cup on Mr. Mullin's birthday. When Mr. Mullin's mother named there again.
Yes, you get it.
And then now, Neil got juke bird cup. Today hour, Thursday, yesterday Wednesday. Tuesday, Neil juke bird cup. Bird cup go out you with an hospital and can't find the tetanus shot. You have to go back the next day over the health center and then give him the tetanus shot for the nail joke. Can you imagine? No tetanus shot now over you at an hospital. Call Mr. Tufton there. Because when me realize something they go on, you need to talk to Mr. Tufton. And there is something need to go on. Because guess what? Me realize when the people them know you over hospital, you know. They know give you certain things and the medication them did, you know. You know said, no care how me go for Lucy clinic, me not get medication, I send me granddaughter and me and get it. Anyhow they see me face, they say they don't have.
Oh,
anytime me send the little girl, she gets everything come give me.
Oh, you must have look rich. Cause them say you drop buff and your little girl drop tip.
No man, my granddaughter hot. She wear good clothes like how me wear good clothes go. Yes. Cause you can't tan good, you pick not tan good. What kind of something go so? There's something now go on. Oh, enough clothes she get. Enough clothes. When she put on and she do her own hair when holiday time. She do her own hair. Cause she can't do the braids.
But you say it really happened to you that you don't get the medication?
Sister, a 2 times me go there. And for once when me go there, say they don't have. And when me give the little girl the paper to go up the back 2 weeks after, 1 week after.
Lord Jesus.
Everything.
But 2 weeks after, Miss Lucy, them get supply?
Listen to what me say to you.
Eh?
When I'm talking, sister, nobody now go sue me because me now go to New City without cost. So me go out the door and turn up a one woman going with the same prescription I me have and she get it. Come on, man. I'm talking, I know what I'm talking.
That's not what you told me before, though.
You know what me say?
You say you're saying your granny. 2 weeks later.
So you have met 2 weeks past the little girl go with the name.
Oh.
You don't have to use your head, sister. Me go clinic. Come cross over them, me and the 2 women, the same prescription. The blood pressure, the water pill, and the cholesterol pill. And them, they panic. And them go, they say they don't have. And the woman go in, the 2 women and them get. Me not say anything coming and make no quarrel. Me go on my yard and me keep it quiet, me not say a thing. Me go to pharmacy, go buy me medication. And then give me a percentage of it. Good? Do you understand me? Me wait on the name, then I go remember the name, me send the pitney go up there and get it. When them are done. Do you understand me? Say, can the very same day, me out the road wait for the woman till he get it. And she say, want me to go back. Me say, I'm not going back.
You should have gone back.
Me no go back, sister. You let me no go there. Me only go to clinic and come here and give the little girl the paper to go there. And that is what is going on. Bird go over there, they say no tetanus, no did they? And bird go to clinic next day. And then give him tetanus joke. Do you understand what I say to you? People that mark your face, why clay is nice. And that is what is going on. So they need to distribute the drugs them to over the clay. That means we have to go by that pharmacy there to go get medication. Okay, back now next story now. We having a problem here, and it's been going on from this year. The people that want to them part, they have to left from we are Lucy and go way up and open, or they have to left from open Lucy, go way a green orange beer to get $6,600. If they come from Askinish, Dias Cocoon, Medley Clifton, the whole place, we have to pay $1 to come in a town. Sister, in a right beside the bank, the big bank in a Lucy NCB. 1 MoneyGram the cross where the road are empty as you walk in and collect your money. Why they not go sign up down there to make the people then go collect their money right there? So why do you have to go so far, sister? These things are right in a wickedness, you know. $6,600. And you have to go all about to get the pension money.
Oh, it's the pension. But you try talk to Jamaica Davis for help?
And sister, she don't know about it too, sister.
So why you not try Heather?
Sister,
your cousin?
Sister, everybody know the story. He used to pay a Lucy. Why he moved to a different place? Jamaica in charge of pension money, sister?
No.
Then how Jamaica fi go in a dictatorial now?
Petition for help because the hardship is known. How far Askinich Dias and Cocoon they're from the place?
To Lucy is 7 miles. And when I left from Dias to from Cocoon to Donia is 8 miles.
Donga Lucy?
Donga Lucy. And
8 miles.
$200 that sister.
Yes.
And when you have to go pay $200, $100 now to go to April. $200 to go to Green Island, to go to Orange Bay.
Yes.
Come on, sister. And when you catch on the hungry, they kill you. You have to go look something to eat out of the money. You can't take back a next vehicle and you're hungry. You know, with that, your sugar gone up and your pressure gone up, you're hungry. By the time you drive, would you up in the bad road them? Although they fix you now. You're hungry, sister. No, don't joke no, you know it. Because if me get one money right now, and me less than one good on a green island, me not pop and eat. Because guess what, me dead, the only thing me can carry with me a big belly full. You understand me? That's all. Me can't carry more with me when me dead. So me dey full my belly. Me not care what nobody want to say. The doctor up at clinic tell me, oh, you must only eat 2 mango and that is your breakfast. He said, doctor, the devil is a liar in the name of Jesus. Me say 2 mango for my breakfast, doctor. But I need to take you to the dietitian. Me say, yes, doctor, you're the dietitian, all right. Because he said me eat only 2 mango. And that me must eat only for breakfast. And nothing else me not eat.
So how much mango you want to eat?
Me sister?
Mm-hmm.
Oh God, man, sister, you're wicked bad. Me figure what 2 mango and eat on breakfast. And that is my. Me I eat 8 mango, sister. At this morning for breakfast, me roast one big breadfruit and eat it.
A yellow heart breadfruit?
Whatever I want, I roast it and I eat it. And me alone eat one breadfruit. So you want me to only eat 2 mango.
So
I'm not that hungry. Me follow you and go pan there to Dr. Tufta. And when me in the house, me they eat small and everything, sister. When me bend down and they wipe up anything, me, the little pit almost blow up Ghana see. So shut the fire. Me sister just take me up. Now be sister me belly full. In the name of Jesus, me not that hungry. Let me continue my reporting here.
Right, me have to send Anthony and this is for you, you know.
Huh?
Me have to go send police for you.
Sister, it can't, no sister, the harm, you have to go for sister. You're the little girl. Auntie, oh God.
No, I don't want to hear any more on that.
It's a good thing I don't have no husband in the left you.
Listen now, I've got to go.
Sister, who are there? Mr. Vaz, God bless you. Mr. Vaz, God bless you if you get rid of our JPS. What are we at JPS said we bad?
Where you here saying get rid of JPS?
If you get rid of them, man, the bill we they get, sister. People have cellular at their yard and still they pay 5,000 or 6,000 and they now use current.
But
at 10,000, 20,000 I have cellular at your yard, sister.
But
get rid of JPS.
No.
The next time to get rid of is Digicel. Digicel put a $1 area. Listen, $100 per phone minute. Per phone, and not tell me about it, they only drop your hand for your money. 7-day plan away. They may say I told $50. They would then say I $1,100. No, they say $1,200. Not even 3 months, they say $1,200, sister. Mr. Vaz, try get rid of Digicel for me. Try, Mr. Coombs, then take Mr. Coombs to hospital and we talk. They can Mr. Coombs go on a private doctor church, sister.
Mm-hmm.
Private place. And nobody can get in touch with Mr. Coombs.
We spoke to him.
And when you talk to him today?
We spoke to him on the radio here on Friday.
Then let me tell you.
Briefly,
and listen to me, you know, sister.
We will make contact.
Make which contact? You can't get him come. She turn off Mr. Coombs' phone.
No, not with Mr. Coombs. Not with Mr. Coombs.
Nobody can get in touch with Mr. Coombs. And Mr. Coombs live through his phone. When he not get called, he miserable. Do you understand me say to you? When me talk to Mr. Coombs Sunday, I don't hear him until now. You understand? And then when me hear Mr. Man, they come on the phone, they tell Mr. Mullins which they say. In the ask, hear Mr. Coombs forward. And him and Mr. Coombs elder in church, and I'll me come and tell you, say, Mr. Coombs in a hospital, no I come about every Warmington. Before I talk about anything else, we say, my elder, and I they go give Mr. Coombs large supper. He never go past and go look for him. He should be ashamed of himself. And they can't call people name, and they can't watch every Warmington. What did every Warmington do? The people then now going on no bus and less bad the night and see music. They now drive with you.
Don't condone slackness.
They're not the truth, sister.
Yes, but don't compare it and condone.
What can I do? Up to pastor they cuss bad, so what is the tour Mr. Every Warmington do? He not do anything bad. The only thing what they saying do, and I know no bad what they burn him, because he said him, the MPBT wife and his wife never run left him. And that's all make him burn them.
Where you get that from?
Then
No. Don't repeat that here because
okay, don't repeat it.
I couldn't see anything on that video.
Well, me watch it.
Good for you. You have 20/20 vision. I don't. Go. I've got to go.
How me are you coming at this land? How me are you come the word when
anyway,
me are you exist?
You hear what I said to you?
Okay, no problem.
Yes.
Everybody come from everyone. The man not do nothing at all. Look on him.
Don't elevate ranking slackness.
Ranking slackness.
Yeah.
So the truth now we are close and truth naked. And they need to let Mr. Warmington because they realize that there is nothing
Goodbye.
they can't do. And Andrew now win because not all people no fool. They come with song about blood and fire. And when he talk about blood and fire down here, and when he talk about the 2 men who left the party, at that time he say, a blood and fire for you. You not should have do that.
I've got to go.
You shouldn't do that.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
understand? Everybody remember about blood and fire. And
Say
hand over.
goodbye properly. Let me get to go.
Oh, bye, my darling. Happy birthday to you, Mr. Marlins and Bird Cup. Happy birthday to you.
Classic.
How old are you now?
Classic
May
case
the
of-
good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip.
Hip, hip, hooray. Hey,
Goodbye.
bye-bye.
Father, you have to take a breather after.